Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a map in Google Sites. First, go to sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to add your map on. Scroll down where you want to add your map, then make sure that you're in the Insert tab and scroll down to Map. Click on it. A new window pops up. Select or search for your location. For example, let's look for New York Cafe. This is the location that I want to add. Click on select and my map will be instantly added to my website. You can resize it by grabbing these dots on this side, and don't forget to save your changes by hitting the publish. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features, like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Don't forget to save your changes by hitting the publish button. Click on publish again, and let's view this website live. And this is how to add a map in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.